Now the next problem is to find out the closest pair problem in the set of n points. So consider if I have some n points and I want to find out what is the closest distance between those. So here one way is I check for the distance between the 2 points. Okay, so like let's say if I have some 3 points, I will show one example. If I have some 3 points, I want to find out 3 points on a x and y plotted with their x and y. I want to check which is giving me the smallest distance. So now there are various ways to check it. One way to do it is I can check with the help of the distance, root of x1 minus x to the whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square. So here I can make use of Euclidean distance usually, otherwise having distance also gets used. Bottom-up algorithm can help to separate the clusters and merge them successfully into larger clusters. But we are going to here follow the brute force technique, and so initially I set the minimum distance to infinity. Then and the closest pair is also not known. And then for each and every pair that is there, I compare the distance with every other element. If I get the distance as less than the minimum distance, I initially calculate the distance between the first point and the second point. If I get a newer distance less than the distance already got, then I reset my minimum distance and the closest pair. So like this I keep on checking among so many elements. Let me take you to the program. So here initially, let's say if I have the closest pair, I calculate the Euclidean distance, so square root of x1 minus x to the whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square. So now that is the Euclidean distance calculation that I have specified it in a function for the ease of readability. And then here I have points 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3. So here the distance between 1, 1 and 2, 2 is 1 plus root of 2. So I'm getting 1.414. The next is here the distance between 0, 0 and 1, 0, which is nothing but 1 itself. And the distance between 0, 0 and 0, 0 is giving me 0. Now here, how is this particular thing getting calculated? So here initially minimum distance is set to 0. I have 1, 2, 3 points here. For 3 points, I check with the next element and the next element, and here I check the distance. If I find the distance is less than the minimum distance, I reset it. So like this I'm checking 1 with 2, 1 with 3. Then I'm checking 2 with 3. So like this I keep on checking how many ever points are there. I repeat, so I check 1 with 2 and then 1 with 3. Now the distance between 3 and 1 is again going to be same. So I need not go back and calculate 3 with 1 and 3 with 2. So one pair of calculation, or you can say, like for example, if I put it in a matrix, then one upper triangle is enough to calculate. So 1 with 2 and 1 with 3 helps me to do it. So these 3 comparisons that I do will help me to get to the final solution.